Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing the Boxy Charm unboxing. So this is the Boxy Luxe box, and I'm really excited to unbox it and get this started. So without further ado, let's just crack into this box. So I did get my toque, finally. The pink one arrived. If you haven't seen my other random video of my toques and my leggings, I will post it right here for you guys. But without further ado, this is the Boxy Charm Luxe box. So they had a lot of issues this month, so I didn't get my box until like 2 days ago, so that's incredibly late in the month because tomorrow is the last day of March, so it's incredibly late. But without further ado, they emailed everybody saying that they were experiencing difficulties. So this is what it looks like when you open the box. So it comes with a cute little card that has all of the description of things and all the prices. And the very first thing that I see when I open my box is a makeup bag. So this makeup bag is this chrome kind of really cute style. I already have so many makeup bags that I honestly don't think I need this one. So I think I'm gonna give this one to my best friend for her birthday, because her birthday was yesterday and I ordered her the new Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. So I have that coming in the mail right now. So I'm gonna give this to my best friend and she can put her makeup in it. So this is the makeup bag. So this one retails for, so this is a train case, it retails for $20. So 20 USD, that's pretty sweet. The next thing that I see in the box is eyelashes. So this is the Lily lashes. I don't think I've ever used these lashes before. They are the faux mink, so they are cruelty-free, I believe. Yeah, they're cruelty-free strip lash, reusable with proper care. So these retail for $24.99, so that's incredibly expensive for lashes. I personally don't spend that much on lashes just because I don't have a lot of money, but I love getting lashes in subscription boxes, so I'm incredibly thankful that we got these for $24.99. That is incredible. So I will show you guys what they look like up close. So up close, this is what the faux lashes look like by the brand Lily Lashes. For $24.99, you get this gorgeous pair of lashes, so that's really amazing. The next thing that I see in here is Iconic London. So this is eyebrow cushion. So Iconic eyebrow cushion gives your brows the wow they deserve. This iconic sculpt and boost eyebrow cushion. The Innovate 2-Shade Liquid Brow Compact allows for fuller looking brows and half the effort. This retails for $40. So I'll show you guys what the packaging looks like. This is what the packaging looks like up close. It's a very simple packaging with a rose gold siding to it, and it says Iconic. I'm interested to see what shade this is because I have pretty light hair and I can't imagine they got everybody's shade correct, because I don't remember if Boxy Charm actually cares about their little survey that they did that we answered. But this is Iconic London, and it comes in a little plastic bag, so it looks like this. So it is a gold case, and when you open it, it looks like this. So you have a mirror on the inside with like a protective screen on it. When you pull it off, it looks like this. So I got the shades medium, so I don't know if these ones will actually work for me. I have extremely light hair, so it may work with me with wearing a wig, but with my natural hair color, I feel like this is going to be a little bit dark. So I'll show you guys what it looks like up close. So this is what it looks like up close. So it is pretty dark. There is a lighter side to it and then a darker side, but as you guys can tell, I have blonde hair, so I feel like these might be a little bit too dark for me, but I wear wigs constantly, so it may not be that big of a deal. But obviously sending out something like this, not everybody's going to get the correct shade, so it is what it is. You also get a little brush that is like a compact brush, so you got like an eyebrow spoolie, and then you get an angled brush. So I think that's really cool, and then it just folds back up and you can keep it in your little case. So this would be really great for traveling, and it's really compact. So I got some of the product on it already, but it's really compact. But for $40, I don't know if I would pay that. I think that's really expensive, so hopefully it works. But again, I'm not going to be able to use it with my natural hair color just because my natural hair color is too light. So the next thing that I see in here is a Becca Ultimate Liquid Lipstick. So this retails for $24. So it looks like this. It's a really pretty, just a gold packaging. It's the color taupe. It looks like this. It's a gold little bullet, and when you open it up, it is not a liquid lipstick. What does it say? Oh, it's just a normal lipstick with a brown taupe color. It seems really good. It's gonna be really, really smooth. So up close, this is what it looks like, and that is the shade that it is. It is a taupe shade, so it just comes in a gold bullet, and I think it's actually really pretty, and it says Becca on it. So for $24, that's actually not too bad. I have never tried any of Becca's lipsticks that I'm aware of. I may have, but that's pretty good. So the next thing that I see is a Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So I usually use clay masks. I don't really use peel off masks because my skin is really sensitive, so I don't know how my skin is going to react to this, but I will definitely use this in a different video for you guys and let you guys know what I think of it. So this retails for $34. And the packaging looks like, so it's a pink tube with a gold lid, and it says Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask, and you get 2.2 ounces, fluid ounces. I like the packaging, I think it's really cute. And we've gotten Wander Beauty a couple times. We've just gotten like the sheet masks before, so I'm really excited to try out that peel on mask and see how it works. So the next thing that I see in this box is brushes. So this is by the brand Moda. So these are powder and soft glow, excellent for wet and dry products. They look like this. So these brushes retail for $29.99 for 2 brushes. So these brushes seem like they're really, really nice. I have a crazy amount of brushes right now, so I'm not going to open these. I'm going to put these to the side, and I may give them away to my girlfriend for her birthday today, or I may just save them for a video in the future for another giveaway, but I definitely don't need more brushes at the moment, so I'm just going to put them to the side. The next thing that I see in this, I'll show you guys what they look like up close. So these are what the packaging looks like up close. I don't want to open them just in case I do decide to give them away, but they are just 2 single brushes for $29.99. So it's pretty expensive, so these are probably really good brushes. So the next thing that I see in here is a Deborah Lippmann, and I don't know what these are. These are, so this is nail polish. So I get my nails done professionally, so I'm not even going to bother opening this because I don't use nail polish, and I probably never will. I've had my nails, I've gotten my nails done for over 3 years straight, so I don't like getting nail polishes in subscription boxes just simply because I can't use them. I just don't. I even get my toes done. I'm that bougie. So this is nail polish from the brand Deborah Lippmann, and these 2 nail polishes retail for $20. So you get 2 different shades. You get a sparkly kind of red one and a more nude kind of purple one, and they're really pretty. They're just not something that I will ever use, so I'm going to give them away. So the next thing that I see in the box is from the brand It Cosmetics. I love It Cosmetics. They have the CC cream that I really like. So this is Confidence in a Cream, Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. So we got another cream. I remember in the last Boxy Luxe, we got this cream, and this is the Elemis cream, and I really liked this cream. I haven't really used it a whole lot just because I always forget, so I still have like a crazy amount left in it, but now we got another one. So this is the Confidence in a Cream, so it looks like this, and it always has like incredibly silver shiny packaging, so I'm just going to open it up for you guys. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is a vanilla white packaging. It says It Confidence in a Cream for all skin types, transforming moisturizing super creams. I'm gonna open it, see what it smells like. So it smells like lemons. I definitely am very excited to use this because I'm always looking for skincare and stuff to minimize pores and stuff to get rid of lines. So this is what it looks like up close. So this is what it looks like. It's just a simple cream. The last one that we got was the Elemis. So we're getting a little bit bigger of a tube this time. We got the last Boxy Luxe, we got 30 milliliters, and this one we are getting 60 milliliters. So it's actually quite a bit bigger, and that is really, really awesome. And this retails for $48. So that's probably the one thing so far that we've gotten that I'm incredibly excited for. So far, this has been a really good box, but I always love getting skincare products just because I am so afraid of wrinkles and getting old and looking old, and I hate it. So the next thing that I see in the box is palette. So this is by the brand Cover FX. So this is Perfector Face Palette. So 6 must-have complexion essentials, 1 travel-friendly palette. This talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. So it is a face palette. So it looks like this. I think it's actually really pretty. So these are more of like a neutral kind of look to go with. So you get like a blush, a pink highlight, a really white highlight, a finishing powder which kind of has like a sparkle to it, so if you don't like sparkle you might not like this powder. Then you get like a contour and you get another gold highlight. So I will swatch these on my hand for you guys. So I'll just quickly grab them all. So this is the highlighter and this is the contour. So they look like that, if you guys can see them. The highlighter is right there and the contour is right there. And then the brightener is right there. Oh, that is incredibly gorgeous, holy crap. And then the finishing powder is right there. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it because it's pretty close to my skin tone. And then the second highlighter is right there. It is like that rose gold, really chrome, beautiful color. And then the last one is a blush. And it is right there. So I'll zoom you guys in just so you guys can get a better look. So these are what the swatches look like. I think they're really pretty. I'm really excited for this rose gold one and the brightener one. I think they're both incredibly gorgeous and super blinding. So I'm really excited for those. Also, I really like having travel palettes. Now there's one thing that I want to mention that I thought was really funny. Somebody in one of the Facebook beauty rooms that I'm in made a comment that the mirror was incredibly frosted over and they weren't really understanding how this was a mirror because it was so blurry. There's a protective screen on it, so when it travels it doesn't get broken. So you can just peel it off and it reveals a mirror. So I thought that was really funny and kind of cute at the same time. The only thing that I would complain about that is that it was stuck down really like firmly, so it took a little bit of prying with my nail to get it off. I didn't end up scratching my mirror or anything, so that's not a big deal at all. So this retails for $45. I'm really excited for this because I think that these shades are actually really gorgeous and I'm really excited to try out this palette. So the last thing that I see in this box is a Morphe palette. So I knew that I was getting a Morphe palette in this month's box because I've seen the spoilers and let's just say if it's cranberry, I'm gonna be very upset. So this is the Morphe palette. So this is a 15 shade Artistry palette. It is the 15 End Night Master eyeshadow palette. So I actually have no idea which one this is, so I'm going in blind. So it looks like this. It's just a standard Morphe palette. I think it's really gorgeous and the packaging is always sleek. So, cranberries! Ah, yay! I don't need any more fucking cranberries, oh my god.
What the fuck?
I say I'm gonna be mad, but the second that I open it and it's cranberries, I just kind of find it hilarious because I knew I was gonna get the cranberry one. I just knew it. So I'm gonna wash off the Cover FX palette and I'm going to swatch these for you guys. You guys are interested. So I'm just using some Almay makeup remover. I don't really like this makeup remover. I find it has like a weird smell to it, but I think I'm just being a bitch. All right, so this is what the palette looks like. It is a very stunning palette. I love Morphe shadows. I love everything about it. I'm going to swatch this because I don't want to give this one away because I'm already giving away brushes, nail polish, and the makeup kit. So I don't want to give everything away in this box because I paid a lot of money for it. In Canada, the Boxy Luxe is like, it's about $60 I would say, because regularly our boxes are, every month they're $36 because it's 21 USD plus shipping and the conversion for Canada is really shitty. So I think I paid about $60 or $70 for this box this month. So I don't want to give away the main thing. I really like the Cover FX palette. I think that's really great, but I'm really excited for this even though we already have cranberries in everything. I'm going to swatch it and if I don't end up liking the colors then I will give it to one of my friends, but I'm not going to give it away in like a giveaway to somebody I don't actually know because I want to swatch it. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to swatch all of the colors on my hand. I'll just use my hand and yeah. So this is Custom, Vavoom, and Scene. So Scene, Vavoom, and Custom. So that's what they look like. So they do swatch really well. I'm just going to show you guys them all from afar at first and then I'll show you guys them all up close. So the next one is Unique, Illustrated, and Cliche. So we have Cliche, Illustrated, and Unique. So those are super gorgeous and super blinding. Look at Unique, that is so stunning. So I'll show you guys what these ones look like up close. So up close, they are absolutely stunning. They are super reflective and super gorgeous. I'm so excited for that Unique color, and Illustrated is pretty reflective as well. So the first row is all mattes, obviously, and the second row, besides Cliche, is shimmers. So I'm gonna move on to the next row. So the next row is Selfie, Goals, and Excuse Me. So this is Selfie, Goals, and Excuse Me. Look at Excuse Me. Holy crap, that is so stunning. So Excuse Me is a very dark shimmery color, and it is really, really, really pigmented. I'm so impressed with these shadows so far, like beyond impressed. So I'll show you them up close. So up close, this is what they look like. They are incredibly pigmented, and I am so in love with this color. I'm gonna move on to the next row. So the next row we have Talent, Editorial, and Hello. So Talent, Editorial, and Hello. So that's what those three look like. And then the last row is Shook, Creative, and Craze. So we have Shook, Creative, and Craze. So that's what those look like. They are, again, super shimmering. So all of the shimmers so far in this palette have been incredibly reflective and incredibly blinding, and I'm really, really impressed so far. So that's what the last two rows look like. I think they are really pretty and really reflective and really blinding, and I'm actually incredibly impressed with this palette, even though I already knew that I liked Morphe palettes. So again, this is what the palette looks like. I think it's a really gorgeous palette. It is really stunning, and again, it comes with a screen protector, this one. Easily just comes off though, and you get a full mirror. So I think that this is a gorgeous palette. This retails for only $16. So Morphe palettes are incredibly pigmented, and they are not expensive at all, and I think they are an amazing, 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 amazing price. So I'm really happy that I got a Morphe palette this month. I do wish that BoxyCharm, as I've mentioned before, would give us different colors. I'm really happy that they gave us two different palettes this time rather than combining a face and an eyeshadow palette in one, because I find that when companies do that, it tends to be lacking in either the face side or the eyeshadow side. It's never like a complete cohesive palette, in my opinion. So I'm really happy that they gave us two separate palettes. I'm really happy that the Morphe palette is really pigmented and really gorgeous, and those shimmers are stunning. Do I wish that they were different shades? Absolutely, because I already have enough nudes and cranberries, but I still think it is an absolutely gorgeous palette, so I'm not going to complain. But that was everything that we got in this month's box. So I'm going to quickly total it up for you guys, and I will tell you guys the total price. So the total price after totaling everything up is $285.98. I think that is incredible considering I only paid like $60 and I got almost $300 worth of products. Yes, I am going to be giving away 3 of the products, but out of 10 things that we got, only giving 3 of them away is not really that big of a deal, especially because I'm going to be giving them to either you guys or my best friend, so that's perfectly fine to me. I think this was an amazing box. I really don't have any complaints this month. I think this is an awesome subscription box. If you guys aren't already on the waiting list for Boxy Luxe, I highly recommend it. It is really great. I get so excited when Boxy Luxe is in the mail. I'm not really the biggest fan of the regular box because they tend to be a little bit lacking. Like next month we're getting another Pure palette, and I fucking hate Pure. I think their palettes are garbage, but that's just me personally. But I do think that Boxy Luxe is definitely worth it. So if you are already a subscriber with BoxyCharm, I highly recommend getting on the wait list for Boxy Luxe because it definitely is worth it. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and join my ever-growing family. We are at 807 subscribers as of right now, so please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye!